Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I make beef rendang. The ingredients are listed in the description box. To make the chili paste, add in the red onions, garlic, ginger, anise, coriander, clove, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, chili flakes, vegetable oil, salt, and water. Close the lid and continue to pulse the blender until it becomes a paste. In a pan, cook the paste until all the liquid has been dissolved. Make sure to stir it to avoid burning the bottom of the pan. Once it has reduced like this, add in your beef. Make sure to cover all the sides of the beef with the paste. Continue stirring until all the liquid has been dissolved from the beef. Then pour the coconut cream. Make sure to stir it to incorporate everything. Once it reached its boiling point, make sure to stir it to avoid burning the bottom of the pan. Then add the lemongrass. Then stir again to infuse the aroma. Then add your brown sugar, followed by the tamarind paste. Continue stirring it until it has reduced. Normally, it takes 3 hours to cook until the beef is tender, but I'm gonna use pressure cooker set into 30 minutes to speed up the process. While the beef is cooking in the pressure cooker, make sure to toast your desiccated coconut until it reaches this deep color. After 30 minutes, release the steam from the pressure cooker and you may now serve your beef rendang. Some people reduce it until it has been dehydrated, but I'm gonna serve it as is. Make sure to top it with a desiccated coconut. Enjoy!